Hello and welcome. I am Katy, and today you get to make a granny square. So let's dive in a magic circle. I'm making 1, 2, 3, and then we shall make 3 more double crochets. The first 3 that I chained counts as a double crochet. So I am Katy, I'm a mother of 3 and I love to crochet and knit. For me, knitting and crocheting is like therapy, helps me a lot. Then we changed 2 and now we're making 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pray that baby will sleep and doesn't wake up. 1, 2, chain 2, and then 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then chain 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm chaining 2 and I'm pulling in, and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and I am coming out in here with a slip stitch. Now I will chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. Then I will make in each double crochet a double crochet, and here I will make a popcorn stitch. That means yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out, yarn over, in, yarn over, out, yarn over, in, yarn over, out, yarn over, in, yarn over, out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I make it 5 times. So chain 1, and then I'm chaining the normal 2 that I make, and now I'm making another popcorn stitch. 1, yarn over, in, 2, yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out, 3, yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out, yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will have to have, except your loop, 10 other threads on your crochet hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now yarn over, go through all of them. This is the popcorn stitch, and we fix it with a single crochet. Now I am making in each stitch from the previous round a double crochet. 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm making a popcorn stitch, 5. Now closing in, fixing it, chain 2, 1, 2. So now yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out, yarn over, in, yarn over, out, yarn over, go in, yarn over, out, yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out. So yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out. Now fixing, closing the popcorn stitch, fixing it, and making in each stitch a double crochet. Then we will make then closing, fixing. Now chain 2. Now another popcorn stitch, close it, fix it. Now one double crochet in each 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now close it in, fix it, chain 2. Now another popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now close it, fix it. Now we are at our chain. We are making a slip stitch. So you will have normally 8. On the first row you have 4. On the second row you have 4 double crochet and 2 popcorn stitch. On the third row you have 2 popcorn stitch and 8 double crochet, then and chain 2 in each. Between each popcorn stitch you chain 2. So we are now at the end of the row and we're making a slip stitch like this. And this is a granny square. You can make it bigger or smaller. When you make it bigger, be sure that here at the right popcorn stitch you're adding in each double crochet a double crochet, then you add in this loop, and then you add in the closing loop from here, and in the left popcorn stitch you will make the 2 double crochet in this loop. So please subscribe and hit the bell notification, and please share to people that will love to make this. Have a nice day. Goodbye.